Alright, last video I need to record for the night so I can go to bed. Now we're starting season 4 of Steven Universe, so let's get into these episodes. Let's start with Kindergarten Kid. This episode, there really isn't too much to say about it. Basically, this episode is about Peridot trying to capture Corrupted Gem. She thinks it's easy. So basically, Gem's like, alright, go at it. Steven tags along to kind of help her, but it's mostly Wile E. Coyote Looney Tunes gags, which are actually really funny. A lot of them really worked. Peridot was a fun character to do that with. Seeing her get repeatedly injured was kind of funny. But I also found it kind of odd that when she sends the Corrupted Gem, she sends it back to the barn. Which makes me wonder, that when Lapis stole the barn, did that gem get loose? Just question. That happens way later in the show, but still. I wanted to know if that was a thing. Also, it's kind of like, what were they setting up with that? I don't know. It was a cute episode with some fun gags. Know Your Fusion is just kind of an annoying episode to me. I don't really... Basically, Sardonyx... is that the name of Pearl and Garnet's fusion? I think it's Sardonyx, I'm forgetting. Basically, starts trying to explore what makes Smoky Quartz, and there's some meta gags in it. And it's kind of funny, but for parts of it, but then you realize her laugh is like super irritating, and the longer the episode goes on, I just didn't care for it. It wasn't that interesting. But, you know, it was a fine episode. So next week we are talking about Buddy's book and mindful education. So tune in next week for more Steven Universe.